What are you guys doing? ¿Qué están haciendo ustedes?
Comiendo.
What?
Comiendo.
Comiendo. No sé si funciona este. Ah, sí, sí funciona. What are you eating? Oh, I always use peanut butter on my pancakes. I used to make my own peanut butter, but hopefully soon I will again. Oh. Hey, baby. Baby girl. Hey.
Hola. Madison, mira la cámara. Ve a comer, ve a comer. Mira la cámara.
So we're having breakfast. Pancakes.
Vas a comer eso en inglés. Pancakes. Pancakes en inglés.
Oh, señor. ¿Quién te enseñó cómo comer?
Catherine,
Hey, Christopher.
así se come. Sí, así hago su pan.
Christopher. That's Christopher, right? Is your name Christopher? My name is William. What's your name? What? No, me sa. What? It doesn't come. My name is William. What's your name?
My name is Catherine.
Hi, Catherine. My name is William. What's your name?
My name is Vanessa.
Valesa. My name is William. What's your... Oh, no quiere jugar. My name is William. What's your name? What are you doing to the... What are you doing to that thing? Go eat your breakfast. Christopher, go eat your breakfast. Okay, no hay refacciones para usted. So that's us eating breakfast this morning, January 29th. ¿Qué fechas tenemos?
27.
Huh?
27.
Oh, 27. Anyway, see you later.